How to grow the pregnant onion Ornithogalum longibracteatum. The pregnant onion is a plant that is easy to grow both indoors and outdoors where there are no hard frosts. It is an odd plant that people either adore, there are gardening groups dedicated to it, or hate. If you find it intriguing, here are some tips on growing the Ornithogalum longibracteatum. The pregnant onion gets its name from the fact it grows large and round and sends up baby bulblets all around its perimeters. It is native to South Africa, so it will grow very easily outdoors in most similar climates like Southern California. If it gets well-draining soil, it will do fine in most of the southern states as well, but the soil needs to dry out somewhat between waterings. Otherwise, you can grow the pregnant onion outdoors during warm months or grow it year-round as a houseplant. Do not overwater. This plant is a water-storing succulent, so too much water will encourage it to rot. Nor is it a desert plant, so don't leave it in scorching sun and dry sand. Outdoors it doesn't seem to be very fussy about soil, though it prefers a leaner soil rather than a rich one. As a houseplant, use a good all-round soil mix and let the soil dry out on top for at least an inch before watering again. Good drainage is important. Give it good light, even full sun if you can, if grown as a houseplant. Hardy to the low 20s, it will grow long strap-like leaves that will die off as new ones form. The base of these leaves form a skin-like coating over the rounded base, rather like an onion skin. You can peel off both dead leaves and onion skin if you want. In addition to the leaves, the swollen base will throw up a long flower spike studded at the top with many small white flowers decoratively striped in green. Unlike a true bulb, the plant does not die back into dormancy after blooming, but continues to put up leaves. Eventually, the Ornithogalum longibracteatum can produce a large clump of bulbs. The pregnant onion is not an onion at all and is inedible. It can occasionally cause allergic skin reactions in some individuals. But it is a great conversation piece planted in the garden or in the house.